so we're off dabbing. Oh, they're everywhere. They're like little baby turtles. Yes! Cleo! We came across a guy who was stuck in the water with his boat. Is this boat big enough? Whoa. So one thing we haven't fully utilized on this boat is a lighting system. So here you can see, got the light force light bar at the front, 2 light force spotlights at the front corners, and also 2 spotlights here at the back. Combine that with our underwater lights, we've got our Ryobi LED torch that I bought earlier today. That should give us enough light. Got all the nets there laying down, ready to go. Fenders are ready to go. Yep, I think we're set. Someone else has the same idea. Trady Jay!
Oh, so excited.
Yeah, I like random stuff, eh?
This is random as hell.
Yeah.
Marine is quiet. Okay, so we're off dabbing. Here we go.
Oh,
Yeah,
swimming, bro?
yeah, there'll be free swimming, man.
Yeah, no, just hang on.
We might not even have to go very far, man. Here, blast them with this, Jay. Here with that, Cleo. Can you see them? Oh, they're everywhere. They're like little baby turtles.
I think he yelled out stop.
Jay, can you go to the front, see if you can hear him?
Yeah, so can we get some help?
How long have you been out here? Bloody hell. If you got on your rope, man, we'll give you a tow. Have you got a bridle? Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, far out. Well, thankfully, he's just like over there.
Yeah. So they've got like a, they got the...
Well, I feel good about helping him at least.
Why didn't he not have a motor?
No, his gearbox died on him, so
Yeah, but
he had
his
no
radio
choice.
wasn't even on, bro.
Finally back into our dabbing expedition. We've passed where we picked him up. Now we're just looking around, trying to find some fish, trying to find some crabs, or maybe even squid. Hey?
Pick it up.
Now get it on him and just pull him towards you, you know, like...
Okay. Oh my god!
Oh, that's a good one, Cleo. Oh, that is a good one. Is that what he's doing? What is he eating?
What's that?
Oh, he's got a flounder head.
Oh, is he?
That's wicked. Oh, yeah, lovely. We are on the board.
That's a good sign.
Nice. All right, let's measure these guys. I know we don't need to. Oh,
Yeah.
easily.
It's in.
Easily legal. Yeah, good job. Thanks, Jay. All right, let's go. Let's get more. Yes! Cleo! What is he doing? He's eating as well.
Oh, another crab.
Oh, what?
I've got 2.
That is weird.
Oh my gosh, eating a sand crab. What? Another.
Oh, is that the flounder head we had before?
Oh, probably.
Oh, okay. All right, so legal, and the other one, yeah, it needs to go back. Come on, let's go. Yeah, legal. This guy.
Look at this pose. Bastard.
He knows crabs when he sees one for sure. This guy. Speed.
Yeah, that's good.
Good.
Oh, they're mating.
Oh, damn.
I don't want to touch. Are they mating?
Oh my gosh.
R-rated.
Cleo, close your eyes. You're only 15. What's happening here, mate? Can I? Oh, he's just grabbed a hold of her.
Oh, they're locked together.
He's just hugging her. Like they're just. Jay's got another crab, he reckons. Done. He's definitely of size, that one.
Can you help me get this one out there?
Pain in the ass. All right. Shouldn't have to measure, but just to make sure, yes.
Good.
Nice.
Right now.
Well done to get to that. That was really hard.
The lively fella. These big ones.
Yeah, clear. Okay, let me just put some water in this. We literally need to be in sync, all three of us, hey?
Yeah.
Crabs, get some photo out there.
Yeah.
Can I get a photo?
Me in it.
Yeah, go grab one.
It's 4 in the morning.
Are you sure? So, eventful start to our fishing last night. We came across a guy who was stuck in the water with his boat. He was just no power to his motor. Well, he was shut down anyway, so he said he was struggling for a few hours. So we thought we'd do the right thing, help him out. We towed him back. So the main thing was no one got hurt. Can only hope if I'm ever in need in the future, someone will be there for me too. In terms of the crabbing though, it was fairly slow. It was a very nice calm night. We got ourselves a feed. You can probably argue the petrol we used was was on par with the cost of the crabs if we bought them, but you know what, we don't do it for that. It's all about the adventure and the experience. So just putting the boat away and going to cook some dinner. So tonight it's coconut crabs and pumpkin. So we've got our chopped up pumpkins, we've got our crabs, garlic, onion and some ginger, and of course our coconut milk. So in the pot with a bit of oil, so we're chucking our garlic, onions, our ginger. So we're going to brown the onions, then we're going to chuck in our coconut milk and let that simmer for a couple of minutes. We're going to throw our pumpkin in. Doesn't take much to cook the pumpkin. Alright, so that's been boiling for 2 or 3 minutes. Now we're putting in the crabs. A good pinch of salt and put the lid back on. So the crabs have been there just over 5 minutes and we're turning it off. Is this bowl big enough?
Probably not.
So dishing it up with a bit of rice. And what do we say?
Grace. Bon appetit.